I got a U-Haul, a big U-Haul. Got 5 things of all stock, waterfowl. Take some, why don't ya? Look at that little gut already. How you get your belly so fat already, huh?
Are you kidding me? Mama!
Check this out, we got a new fish in here.
Oh, little brown one.
Mama Willow, you had your own babies. We're moving on to a What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. We had more baby pigs. Yes, we did. But before we get to those baby pigs, we have a sponsor for today's video. Right after our sponsor, we are gonna get right on into it. So stay tuned, stick along, and enjoy. Today's video is sponsored by Ridge Wallets. Ain't no more bulky wallet. This thing is slim. Now, one of my favorite things about the Ridge Wallet is how slim it is. I love that it's just right in your pocket, ain't going nowhere. Another thing I love is how easy everything is to get out. You push it from the bottom, you got it right out. And then to put back in is the same exact way. Very sleek looking wallet. Now you can get 10% off using code Cuffaro. The link is down below, 10% off your very own Ridge wallet. These things are very durable. I mean, I could cast it on a fishing rod. Drive over it with my truck. I need these as if nothing ever even happened. You name it, these things ain't breaking. These wallets are something else. You can have 12 cards inside this wallet and even have room for some cash on the back with the money clip. There's over 30 different styles to choose from. 40,000 plus 5-star reviews. Look at that sleek carbon fiber right there. I mean, just a beautiful, beautiful wallet with a money clip. That durable material also comes with lifetime warranty, so you break it, you send it back, you get a brand new one. Now the first Cuffaro to DM me using my code Cuffaro, the link is down below, 10% off, I will send you a signed PC Ridge wallet. Thank you so much, Ridge, for sponsoring today's video. Without further ado, enjoy. Check this out, we got a new fish in here. My buddy Nick dropped this off. It's a baby Florida gar. He's a little bit shy because I just turned the lights on. I'm telling you, these fish with the lights, these are very bright lights, and I always mention it, but the fish will actually come out the second I turn these lights off. The second I turn these off, I turn my phone light on. Look, they're all out already. There's the root saw right there. That is cool, dude. They come out when you're not looking. Woo! So yes, we end up having a bunch of baby pigs in this video. It came to my surprise, which is totally normal. The first time I knew, but the 2 other times, this is the 3rd birth. So the 3 times we have baby piglets, it's always a surprise. This was the biggest surprise though. I didn't know if she was pregnant or not. So in this video, we're prepping enclosures, we're moving baby piglets, we're doing all sorts of stuff. It is a crazy day. We rented a massive U-Haul in order to do this. But first things first, we needed to get Mama Pig out from the enclosure over here. So I'm gonna throw you back to 2 days ago when we got Mama Pig out from over here. This is Bambi, the all brown one. I saw a lot of comments on naming Bambi. So all you guys, don't let Mama rest at all. I pulled the truck up here. I'm gonna get Mom, put her in the back of the truck, bring her back to the enclosure where she initially was before babies. Keep the babies here, grow them up, and then they'll reunite eventually. These things grow fast though, so it's not as long as it seems. In like literally a couple weeks, another month, they'll be at the farm. So I actually don't have a filmer, so it's time to catch Mom. I'm gonna set you up right here. She just pissed all over my seat. She's gonna poop too. It's gonna be a long ride.
Are you kidding me? Mama! You gotta do that to me? Gosh darn it, man, this shit.
Look at his hair is all up. He's like, who the heck are you? You're back. That's your husband. She's definitely like, where the heck are my babies? That's for sure. But this is very normal. Actually, a lot of the time, they'll never see the babies again. In this case, she'll reunite, but she needs a break. She's getting very skinny, like I mentioned. She needs to just get away from these babies, relax. She's already eating right now, which is a good sign. Of course, if an animal is ever eating, it's usually a good sign. Oh, she's, hey, Bubba. Hey, buddy. Mama smells the other pig on my, see? She smells the other pig on my hand. Lulu is not aggressive whatsoever. She can smell, see? She can actually scent the other mom pig on my body because I was holding her and she was actually charging me to protect the other pigs. Whoa. I won't tease her anymore, but that just shows you how smart animals are. Now that Mama Pig was at the farm, the following day I noticed how big Willow's belly was. The teats were getting nice and large. It was giving signs of pregnancy. I think Buddy got her before he got neutered. Real talk though, that would be actually insane. Every male pig on this farm is neutered so that we never have baby piglets. Unfortunately, that one male done did it to me. One already had babies, the other one is, let's just hope not. Let's hope Willow is not pregnant. And well, I was right. She was pregnant. In fact, had babies the next morning.
They're all little brown ones.
Oh my gosh, they're so tiny. They're all brown. Every single, by the way, I have not seen the babies either. They're all brown and white. We just pulled up to the house. We have, oh, you guys are freaking out. We have the other pigs back here. One of my dad's friends that has a nice enclosure, a couple goats, and they wanted some pigs. And obviously, I can't keep on keeping all these pigs that we had. This is probably one of the last pig births I'll ever have, though. This is a unique one because it is one of the last. Now that this male is neutered, the only way it could ever happen again, and it won't happen again, or at least I'm not gonna purposely do it. Not that I did this purposely either. You just had the audacity to have babies with her. See, she's still recovering from being so skinny. And then this one just gave birth this morning. Willow was a mama. My prediction was right. I knew it. I knew the stomach just looked like a baby stomach. Look at them all. Oh, they're like little rats. Hi, monkeys. Oh, 6 babies. 6 babies. I wonder how many females. Mama Willow, you had your own babies. That's so crazy. Look at that one in the back. They are tiny. They're only so cute and small for a couple weeks. This is 1 month old. What am I saying? That is still so cute. Look at them hiding on each other. They're adorable. They are adorable. But more on the whole pregnant pig thing later. Little Bambi out of the cage, and she's just so good. She's always been the best one. Doesn't mind being held. Look at that little gut already. How you get your belly so fat already, huh? They like to eat. Their diets will change now that they're on their own, you know. I had Mama there. I was trying to get Mom as much food as I could because she was getting skinny. They were getting into the food bowl a lot more than they should have. So now that they're alone, I can manage their feeding. But this little girl is such a sweetheart. She's so good. And she smells good. We're gonna put her in, yep. 1 of 3, we're keeping 3?
Yes.
And then those 6 will probably get rid of a lot of those. But trust me, the house we're about to go to and get rid of the 3 others is a close friend of my father's. And I make sure, you know me, I make sure they're not gonna be eaten. They're gonna be properly neutered. They're gonna be taken care of correctly. And these people are really good people, so. Come on, she's so sweet.
She is sweet.
I love this.
Hi, Rosie girl.
These Rosie and Buttercup right here. Those 2 were just like these.
Yep.
Look at double pegging it. Look how big.
Look at this. Oh,
Okay, all right. Have a good one, guys. So yes, they have coverage in here. They won't get wet during the rain. And yes, by the end of today, we're gonna be putting like shavings and stuff in there to keep them nice and cozy. But we need to go to this other house because we're scheduled to arrive there about 12:30. So let's go, babe.
That's my man.
Bubba's gonna put a ring on it. Cause I know I ain't.
Good, I don't want to get married to you anyway.
Alright. Let's go!
Yeah, how awesome is that?
This one's loud, this one's quiet. 10 by 10, which is the same size as the one we had at the house. They're gonna grow up in here and then eventually roam free with the goats that we'll show you in here in just a little bit. Look at that. You're alive. There's just goats all over the place. What's going on, guys? They are beautiful. Look at the colors on them. Anyway, yes, this is it's where our pigs are. We can come visit them when they get a little bit bigger and stuff, but yeah, they're safe here. They're good. They're not being eaten, I promise. And it's a big yard, massive yard. Well, I got a U-Haul, a big U-Haul. And the goal is to get that entire thing into there. So, we gotta break this sucker down.
The goal is to not have to freaking rebuild this thing. Please fit.
Nope.
This should fit. Right in. Boom, baby. Like butter. Now I gotta take this whole thing apart. That was really, I don't mean to sound like, you know, a baby, but that's a lot to take apart just by yourself. Those things are heavy. All loaded up, tarp, parts, cage, got a top right there, tarp right there so we can block it from getting rain on. And I brought the little baby hut that the other babies were in when they were small enough. Now they're too big, but these new babies were like that, so I brought that too. We are good to go. It is currently 3:46 p.m. This video's been all over the place, bear with me. We're gonna get everything done today. Got 5 things of all stock, waterfowl, bunch of hay for obviously the enclosures that we're making. So U-Haul's getting loaded. Oh, and we got TNA hay for the goats. Busy day, busy day. Woo! Hello fellas, look how beautiful the pond is now. It's all filled up. Waddle waddle. Hello squad, I was here earlier, but here you go again. Eat up, and then we have our baby piglets over there. They're waiting for me. How you doing, goats? How you doing? There you go. Little baby, I got your own little pile there. You got a little bit of one in your head, but you're good. I also got hay for them in the U-Haul. I got food for you guys. Don't go in your house, please. Oh, okay. Suzanne, how are you, buddy? Here you go. Take some, why don't you? There you go. Suzanne, he's gonna get you. Back off. Ah! Ah! Suzanne, I saved you some. Suzanne, over here, I saved you some. Right there. There you go. There you go. They're all eating. They also just got fresh water. These pigs are good, although they're all housed up right now. They're hanging out in there. They're good to go. We're done with that. All we need to do is put some water in there, which we'll do in just a little bit. It is an at-farm/work day vlog. That's what this video is. We are working our tails off today. We haven't even built the cage yet, which should only take about 30 minutes if we do it very efficiently. Well, that we did off camera, just because I didn't feel like picking the camera up. Quite frankly, I wanted to finish this. So we got the top right here actually gonna make. I only took it half apart, so that's not as bad. And then this right here will literally just pop onto this right here. And there it is, look at that. Woo! Let me tell you, that came out amazing. And it is currently 6:30 p.m. I've been working for hours and hours today, all because Mama Pig decided to just have a baby out of nowhere. I'm gonna pick up the camera in the morning as well here at the farm, but I gotta get Mama in here with the babies because tonight was my biggest worry. I don't want the predators getting her. Bobcats, coyotes, I mean possums, anything will eat a little pig that small. They're literally the size of mice. So this is where they're staying tonight. Mama will take care of them in there. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Here, Thomas, thank you, by the way, Tommy, for your help, man. First time holding one of her babies. Look at how tiny. This is a little girl. Look at her little face. I'm gonna put you in here. They all look the same. They literally all look the same. If only we got what we just did. We ran around in circles for like 5 minutes. Mom is in, finally. I don't want to bug her much more though, because I don't want to stress her out at all. She's probably already stressed enough, so that was one of the most productive days I've ever had in my entire life. See you in the AM. So that is that, Cuffaros. We had 6 baby piglets at the farm. We now have 32, well 30 because I just gave away 2. So 30 piglets. 30 piglets, that's crazy. And now in a month and a half or so, whenever Willow's ready, I'll go find, for however many I plan on getting rid of, homes, very safe. You know me, I'm not gonna give these pigs away to anyone that's irresponsible, so. 30 pigs, we hit the big 3-0. That's crazy. I did take some videos and pictures when I got a little bit closer to the piglets. I didn't wanna really approach her right now, it's a little early. So in the next video, we'll definitely show a bit more of them holding them and being closer with the piglets. We got as close as we could. I love each and every one of you. This looks so bald over here now, it's crazy. This is where they used to be. I know I've been talking about this big move thing for a while now. I have something so insanely incredible and just amazing to tell you guys. And it should be able to be said within the next like 2 weeks. So it is the biggest move ever. Like when I tell you, you're gonna be like, wow. But the whole farm thing, we're building on a whole nother level. Let's just put it that way. Property, whole nother level. Enclosures, whole nother level. And don't freak out. I know I got a lot to explain, and all that is gonna be in like a super long video I'm making. I just wanted to let you guys know that, you know, moves are coming. We're starting a whole new chapter. Crazy. Animals are staying with us, fish room staying with us, like all that stuff staying. It will all make sense eventually. We're moving on to a bigger and better, yeah, I'm not saying anything. I'm not gonna say anything. That's all I'm gonna say. If you have any ideas, thoughts, leave them in the comments down below. But that's what the title and thumbnail of this video is from. More on that whole entire story later when I'm actually like allowed to tell you. Subscribe down below, smash the like button if you want me to tell you a little early. Smash the like button. But yes, big moves coming for the PC and the Cuffaro fam. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you, Ridge, for sponsoring today's video. If you do want to check out some PC merch, get it while you can. Christmas is right around the corner. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Tommy.
Yeah.
I'm stuck.
You're staying in there, bud. I own this place now.
Tommy, help!